The latest bit of breaking news that we're getting in at this point of time, clean chit given to Narendra Modi. Zakia Jafri's petition has been rejected by the Metropolitan Magistrate. Narendra Modi, along with 62 others accused in the Gulbarg Society massacre, have all been given a clean chit. Now, what does this mean for Narendra Modi? What implications will it have on his future political career? Well, that is immense. And I'd like to bring in Javed Ansari, National Affairs Editor. Javed, what we were talking about earlier, because every time we talked about Narendra Modi and the Prime Minister of India, the buck stopped at 2002. Do you think somewhere down the line now this verdict will wash the taint of 2002? Because when we're looking at internationally, the kind of, how he's been looked at, when visas were upheld, do you think all of that now will somewhere down the line clear because the court has abdicated him?
Look, this is for the first time that you have a legal imprint to what Mr. Narendra Modi has been claiming all along, that he's innocent. He's been protesting his innocence. Whether this brings closure, whether this heals wounds, I'm not so sure. And that's a totally different story. It's for the victims. But yes, certainly politically it comes as a very big boost. If I was Narendra Modi, I'd be certainly rejoicing today, because the 2002 riots was an albatross that hung round his neck. Every time something happened, this would be flung in his face. Today he's got a reprieve from the courts. Now till a superior court decides otherwise, there is no charge against him.
How do you see it pan out from here on, Javed? Do you think now the narrative of the BJP will change? They've already been aggressive, but now do you think the thrust with which they're going to project Narendra Modi as the face of the prime ministerial candidate for the BJP, that will change? From here on, the narrative of politics as played by the BJP will change?
Well, most certainly. The only question mark that the big question mark against Mr. Narendra Modi was 2002. Now they will say not just the SIT, but even the courts have given their imprint. They've found him not guilty. Therefore, he doesn't have a case to answer for, and they are going to go with it with greater vigor. They will try and drown out whatever setback they've suffered with the ordering of the Commission of Inquiry into Snoopgate, because this is a huge boost. Make no doubt, this is a huge boost to Mr. Narendra.